Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fam 2 Cents cooking video. As you all know, 2020 is the year of the struggle. Things have been going not super great for everybody in 2020 with the pandemic and all this other stuff going on. So I'm going to show you what to do on the off chance that you receive one of those variety packs of chicken that you can either buy or sometimes you get from food banks or whatever, because I received one recently and I didn't want it to go to waste, so here's what you can do with it. So firstly, you want to open up your struggle package and take the struggle meat and separate it, get it out of there and separate it in a category by the types of meat, because you're going to have all kinds of things in here. You're going to have breasts, wings, thighs, and all that good stuff. So you need to get it out, get it separated, so that way you can properly process it. Now, if you're used to buying prepackaged meat from the grocery store, you're used to it already being kind of cleaned up and trimmed up or whatever, that won't be the case here. You're gonna have to go in and do all the trimming and cleaning yourself. So yeah, prepare to do that, but make sure you have some room set to the side because of this next part coming up here. Now, after you do all the trimming and separating and stuff you're gonna do, your next instinct might be to throw all that away. You don't want to do that. These scraps are, and the bones and stuff are very useful for making your own stock. So after you cut off the excess skin and all that good stuff off the breast and extra bones and stuff off the thighs, the wing tips and stuff off the wings, you're gonna set this stuff to the side because you'll be making a stock with all that deliciousness later. Once your struggle meat is trimmed and cleaned and all that good stuff like that, you've separated all the bones and all the excess stuff you don't want, you want to go ahead and put these in Ziploc bags and separate them by category. Obviously all the chicken breasts in one bag and the wings in one and the thighs and all that good stuff and the drumsticks, and separate them. Make sure you get as much air out of the bag as you can and prepare to put them either in the freezer or in some other storage method available, so that way when you're ready to use them you can. And now that that work is done, you've cleaned and trimmed all the meat and got it put away, now it's time for you to feed your family. So you can take the thighs here. I just used a little bit of soul seasoning and some lemon pepper on it. Nothing too crazy. I wanted to be very minimalistic with this, and I took a baking dish over here to the side here. This is a pretty small one because I'm only making 4. Put a couple pieces of butter on the bottom there with some water, just a little bit of water just to cover the bottom of the pan or whatever, and cover it, and these are gonna cook really good. It's a very quick and easy method to make some really nice baked chicken without a whole lot of effort or struggle, so you should give it a try. So anybody who knows the struggle knows the real value of rice. You can make it with pretty much anything. It's very cheap, so it's always good to have around during the struggle. I like to season my rice instead of making just regular plain rice. So either put some garlic salt in there, give it like a nice little garlicky flavor. You can do lemon pepper, or you can just do, instead of water, cook it inside of chicken broth, and that'll give it some extra flavor with your baked chicken, and you'll be good to go. And with that all done and out of the way, your struggle meal is complete. Nothing super crazy here. There's nothing fancy about this at all. This is about as standard as it gets, but it is delicious. So if the struggle is real, just know that you still have delicious food at your disposal. You just gotta know how to use it. So hopefully this video is useful to somebody, because it was initially supposed to just be a joke, but I mean, the struggle is so real right now that this is very well could be somebody's reality. So if you happen to get a pack of chicken like this or something like that, don't be discouraged. Just know that you have obtained a way to make several different meals at one time, and now you know how to clean it, separate it, and pack it up for when you're ready to do just that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.